Exciting news! The University of Cape Town UCT online application is now open to all interested and qualified applicants. Ready to join one of the top-rated universities in Africa? Let's walk through the process together. The management of UCT has embraced technology to make the application process exclusively online. This means no more dealing with paper-based applications unless absolutely necessary. High school leavers and those looking to further their studies, whether part-time or full-time, can apply online easily. This application is open to all prospective undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma, and certificate students. If you meet the eligibility criteria and are ready to apply, let's get started. Gather all necessary documents and get ready to follow these simple steps to complete a successful UCT online application. Steps on how to apply online for UCT admission. Before you start, make sure you have a working internet device, a valid email address not shared with another UCT applicant, your South African identity number, or your passport number if you're an international applicant. Now let's dive into the application process. 1. Visit the UCT website. Head to the official website of UCT at www.uct.aza. 2. Navigate to the application portal. On the home page, click on Applications in the top menu, then select Online Application to proceed to the UCT application portal. 3. Create an account. If you are a first-time user, create a new account by providing your name, date of birth, email address, South African national ID or international passport number, username, and password. Click Create once you've filled in all the details. 4. Verify your account. You will receive a 6-digit one-time PIN (OTP) via email from UCT. Enter this OTP to verify your account and then log into the online application system. 5. Log in. Use the username and password you created to log into your application profile dashboard. 6. Start your application. Click on the Undergraduate tab or the appropriate tab for your level of study. Read through the instructions and click Start Application. Confirm Yes or No to proceed. 7. Complete the application form. The application form consists of 16 detailed steps. Here's what you'll need to provide. Personal details, including full name, date of birth, home language, citizenship, and residency status. Contact information, such as your country, home address, postal code, contact numbers, and email addresses. Guardian information, including names, contact details, and other relevant information about your parents or guardians. Secondary school information, such as your school name, grade 11-12 details, subjects, and grades. Tertiary information, which includes information about any tertiary education you've already completed, including institution names and qualifications obtained. Program choices, where you list the programs you are applying for in order of preference. National Benchmark Tests, NBT, with details about your NBT results if applicable. Bursary information detailing any bursaries or scholarships you are applying for. Housing information indicating whether you require on-campus accommodation. Additional information, which includes any additional details that support your application. Take a break. If you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any updates. 8. Upload required documents. On the designated page, upload your ID and any other required documents in PDF, doc, or JPG format. Ensure all information is correct before submitting. 9. Review, declaration, and submit. Review, where you carefully review all the information you have entered. Declaration, where you agree to the terms and conditions of the application. Submit, where you click the Submit button to finalize your application. Application documents required. Current matriculants should upload final grade 11 results or grade 12 June results if available. Already matriculated applicants should upload certified ID and National Senior Certificate. Applicants with higher qualifications than Matrix should upload certified ID, National Senior Certificate, your qualification S and study record. Acknowledgement of application. After submitting, you'll receive an email confirming the submission of your application. Within 3 working days, you should get a formal acknowledgement with your applicant number and PeopleSoft login details, which you can use to track your application status online. Why apply to UCT? UCT has a proud tradition of academic excellence and is ranked as the top university in Africa and one of the top universities in the world. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join this prestigious institution. Feeling ready? Take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button for more updates. For detailed information on how to apply to UCT, check the link in the description below. Good luck with your application. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates from the University of Cape Town.